Puntahan natin guys. Yung di ba ano, pinakita ko dati na yung machine nila. Paano nila gawain ng tea. Parang may bayad yata kapag pumasok ka doon. Yan. Yan, marami ng BOH. Yan. Ay, close guys. Yun talaga yung ano nila, oh, close. Yun guys. Yung ano nila guys. Punta tayo dito ng anong punta tayo dito guys. Paano gawin? Pero hindi rin maintindihan guys. Malayo.
Serta proses lengkap perjalanan dalam dek dari seawal mudik kepada pemprosesan dan sehinggalah pembungkusan dengan pemahaman yang menyeluruh dalam menghasilkan minuman hebat. Oh, tetap kekal jenang rumusan Indonesia menawarkan nilai
gawas tayo guys. Puntahan natin yung mga yan. Ano na? Oh, may ice cream pa. Oh. Wow, ang sarap ng ice cream nila guys. Ice cream. Tapos ito yung ano guys. Ito yung machine nila dati. First nilang machine. Keep rolling. Since ano yun? Since 90s? 19? Oh. This rolling machine was designed to imitate the action of hand rolling and leaves to draw out the taste and was first used in the 90s. Oh, dagal na to machine. Rolling pala to guys. Rolling. Ito yung ano nila guys. Pang harvest. Tapos ito. I can go in there. I can go in. Go in pinto. Masok ka lang factory. Yung factory nila guys. Nasa likod.
You want to crystallize the juice to get a black crispy foam in here, this to roll. And then we go to the last process, the sorting process. So for the sorting process, we want to sorting the tea leaf by size. And we also extract the stalk and the fibers in here. So each tea leaf have their own density and their aroma. For example, this one is the biggest tea leaf in here. This one is the smallest tea leaf in here. So the biggest tea leaf, the lightest the taste. The smallest tea leaf, the strongest the taste. The smallest tea leaf in here is a Malaysian favorite, teh tarik. Teh tarik, this one. So if you buy this one, the smallest tea leaf in here or the smallest tea leaf in here, I recommend you to add a milk or sugar. Why? Because this one is the strongest thing. If you doesn't put any milk or any sugar inside of the cup, for this one, the taste is gonna be a bitter. But for these two, the biggest tea leaf in here, these two, I recommend you to drink a plain tea without milk and without sugar for these two. For these two, you can get in our retail shop. You can buy the best premium black tea from our
Ang tagal
garden
mo
here.
ba?
Palace Supreme. Palace Supreme, the best one. So for the stock and the fibers, we use as our fertilizer in our garden. Here is sodium biogas. So for the green tea came from the same leaf, but the difference is only the process. The difference is only the process. So for the green tea, we just do the plucking process, to the withering process, to the rolling process. But we just keep
Punta ka namin guys kung paano yung pag-process guys. Nag-explain pa to eh. Ang daming explain eh.
One of it in here is Unapalas, another two in the Rain Lake, Abu and the Fairlink. The last one is near to the Kuala Lumpur in Banting Selangor. So for the factory in the Banting Selangor, for the packaging and flavoring in there. Those three factories in Cameron Highland, we produce a black and a green tea. Except for this factory, we only produce a black tea. So for one day, we can get around 4,000 to 9,000 kilograms of tea. Depends on the weather.
Ang tagal eh. Ang tagal guys. Balik na tayo.
哎，还好哦，不是很尖哦，昨天很舒服。
Ang tagal eh. So, balik na tayo guys. Dati 25 years na pala ito. Years. Tagal eh. Oh. Saan yun sila? So ano? Baka nandito sila. Balikan natin doon. Balikan natin. Wala. Masaan nga? Masaan nga yung kasama ko? Masaan yung kasama ko guys? Ay, saan sila? Kanina nandito sila eh. Ngayon, nasaan kayo? Yun o, sama. Saan nga sila guys? Ha? Ang tagal na yun. Pero, ang daming tao.
Let's lao lao lychee.
Ang daming tao guys.
Gọi là lao lychee.
Kasi,
Where's the lao lao lychee? La luan. La luan. La luan lychee.
hey!
Be careful. The
Yeah.
floor is very slippery. Careful with that. La luan, la slippery. The pathway is very lichy. Slippery. Yes. I think he might be one.
BOH. Nandito na sila guys, nakasama ko. Ayan guys. Ayan. Dito sila.
But doesn't have.
Oh, ang daming tao guys. Para na-position sila. Tapos dyan sila. Tapos dito. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Nasaan ka si ante? Ayan ang lover guys oh. Dami tao. Okay guys, bye bye guys. Bye bye, God bless. Thank you sa support. Bye bye.